Hi, my name is Cameron Four, and I'm a staff systems engineer here at VMware on our end user computing team. This video would demonstrate how to leverage the latest Horizon and user experience dashboard to get instant visibility into performance issues impacting the users of your VDI environment. This dashboard is divided into 4 heat maps. Each heat map will identify different key metrics that we look at to determine how well the user's perception of their desktop is performing. These metrics include CPU experience, virtual disk experience, overall session experience, which includes things such as blast latency, PC over IP latency and packet loss, and VRAM consumption out of the virtual machine. From a CPU experience perspective, we look at things such as CPU ready time, which is a measurement of how long the virtual machine is waiting to schedule a CPU cycle with the host. As this individual metric goes from good to bad to worse, the color of the virtual machine will change to indicate the current score of the CPU ready time. If the VM is no longer operating within the best practice thresholds, it will change from a color of green to yellow, orange, red, depending on the severity of the performance impact. Each widget also provides additional configurations that can also be selected to show other metrics of importance. These metrics include CPU contention, overall virtual machine utilization, as well as the host perspective of performance such as host CPU contention and utilization. As an example of how to troubleshoot a virtual machine experiencing poor disk performance, simply mouse over the virtual machine and you will see the current total latency. If you would like to see additional environmental information around the virtual machine, expand the vDisk relationship widget and you will be able to see how vRealize operation correlates to the rest of the environment. Information such as the data stores that are attached to the virtual machine will be displayed, the host information, the user connected to the individual virtual machine, as well as the desktop pool. If any of these tiers are being impacted from a negative performance, alert, or other environmental issues, their colors will also change from green to yellow, orange, or red depending on the severity of the issues that particular object is experiencing. In this case, we can see that the iSCSI routable volume data store is the data store causing the negative performance for our virtual machine. In addition to the heat maps, as issues continue to persist throughout the VDI environment, they will also be displayed as active session alerts. The active session alerts widget will show information ranging from virtual machines with high CPU and memory utilization to more infrastructure related issues such as data stores with connectivity problems to their host. The active session alerts widget will also show alerts that directly correspond to the CPU, disk, session experience metrics that we also want to monitor around the user sessions. As these metrics start to become issues over time, they will be displayed as active alerts, and depending on the number of people being impacted by this problem, you will see that as the score on the particular alert that you're looking at. So in this case, we have virtual machine disk performance degraded, and 3 users are being impacted by this particular alert. If we want to start to troubleshoot any of these alerts, simply click on the individual alert and you will be able to see which objects are being impacted by this particular issue. This concludes the demonstration on how to use the latest Horizon and User Experience dashboard. For more information, please see the How to Operationalize vRealize Operations for Horizon training video. Thank you.